It's called a scream. We called it that because it was never clear. I mean, the place was mean. Anyway, it was Friday and the drunk was jumping. Puffing on the doobie, I was looking to get into something. I glanced over and I'll be damned. There she caught my eye. A woman with skin that seemed to multiply. With the beauty of 20, I heard her sing. It was one for many. A tale of the ages, but no one listened. I walked to the front of the stage, hoping to bare my soul. She looked at me and my body went cold. Miss Ma'am, what's that song you sung? It reminds me of something close to a dream. It wasn't as relentless, but you didn't have to wrestle. When it was all said and done, she said softly, I'll sing you one. I didn't notice at first, but they were all brown. The men on stage, they all wore a frown. Without a word, they paused for a moment. It seemed an eternity before they began to play. Miss looked at me and she began to say, Miss Sing is the name. You want to hear my song, you gotta listen and carefully follow along. So enchanted, I pulled up a chair. I heard a distant sobbing in the air. I couldn't make it out, it was very unclear. Smoke filled the room, it felt like Leadville was near. Miss Sing, tell me of Mississippi, goddamn. You say the iron is burning and the oars are turning, but I'm asking you, who is really hurting? She said, look into my urn and there you'll find it. It's not here, it's not there, and damn sure ain't no bear. Not on the bald man's ego, not on the testicles of an eagle. They're sensitive to pigmented credos. Would you take a placebo and antidote your machismo? Starting again, I began to rise. Miss Ma'am, I understand, but I'd like to take your hand. See, I got a van, though it's not much, but with a quick buck and a screw, my friends who can get it hemmed up. Miss Sing, you can be Mrs. My name is Tim. Some pronounce it with an H two slots before the M. I'm going to say that again because I know y'all didn't catch that. Miss Sing, you can be Mrs. My name is Tim. Some pronounce it with an H two slots before the M. Miss Sing continued her song with disconnected nuance. It was like a balancing act I couldn't guess her truance. The obsession of the National Congression is always hypocritical obsession. Hit a recession and some begin undressing. I'm blessing their already damned souls. They jump with their feet. Now they're 10 feet below our toes. What about our woes? Mama couldn't afford pantyhose. If they stopped speaking of petty hoes. 10 lashes to the front with your face beat, 10 lashes to the back with the strap hung modeling you. They call it horse meat. Mississippi, goddamn. Goddamn, you're still burning. My eyes are hurting from all the smoke I'm observing. The truth behind a smoke screen, if you don't see it, you've been smoking. Too hot to analyze the ancient lies that have been spoken. You've been chosen to listen to Miss Sing. She does her thing, but all the while niggas still choking. Miss Sing, tell me your song. She looked at me and said, here goes another one. That was just a poem for all the women missing. So